today we will be decluttering tech. So today is day 2 of Humble Sustainability 7-day decluttering challenge, and today we will go ahead and tackle this drawer of electronics, tech, gadgets I use every single day, or all of the things I don't use as well. So we are going ahead and doing it Marie Kondo style, putting out everything, and here I am putting it on a table para alam ko kung ano yung mga kailangan ko pa at hindi. So again, you will be having 3 piles. First pile is for the keep, next is for donate, and third is for discard. Honestly, wala pa dito lahat ng mga electronics ko and camera. But here I am just sorting everything out. I-organize ko lang in boxes again per gadget. So for example, for my vlogging camera, or for the mic, or for GoPro, ganyan. And here I am repurposing my Glossier ano tawag dito? Pouch? Bubble pouch na ginamit nila for shipping, and then I'm just putting cords. So now, tapos na tayo. Again, I tried to organize it. I repurposed mga skincare packaging to use it as mga pang divider. Ganyan. So now I'm putting it in sections, making sure that every single thing has a home, just so hindi siya makalat. Ayan. I also love this Bison charger whenever we travel, because when we travel, I have a lot of gadgets, phones, chargers, charger ng phone, cameras, mic, and stuff. Hey guys, so I wanna do a new segment here on the vlog wherein my favorite comment would get 500 pesos gift certificate from either Lana or MINK, and it will be announced on my next video. Gagawin ko na to hopefully for every single video. This is because I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support. It's so heartwarming. Maraming salamat. So the comment can come from this YouTube channel. It could either be from Instagram or IGTV or on Facebook. So if you want to join, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell just so malalaman mo kung ikaw na ba yung nanalo on the next video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Good luck!